Welcome aboard the Selene 59 Charlotte, built in 2007. As a Selene specialist, we took her to the Düsseldorf boat show, delivered her to the first owner and second owner. She is a luxury trawler designed for long distance cruising, and that's what she did, from the Mediterranean up to Scandinavia. Today we're gonna guide you through the boat. Let's start at the top. Here we have a fully equipped upper helm station, complete with navigation and visibility for the captain all around. The spacious seating area is perfect for up to 8 guests to relax. Furthermore, we have a fixed bimini top which can be closed all the way around to sit also outside in colder conditions. Further back on the Flybridge we have a crane to launch and lift the big tender from the water onto the Flybridge. Next we move forward to the pilothouse with its panoramic views, complete with Varuna navigation systems and 2 comfortable captain chairs. The settee and table just behind the helm allows the guests to join the captain on the long trips. Moving on to the saloon, we have a fully equipped galley, including a full-size refrigerator, freezer, induction cooktop, oven and microwave. Perfectly to cook your favorite meal. After you're done with your dinner, you can use the dishwasher for all the dishes. Here we have a great open plan layout that creates a spacious feel which is ideal for relaxing during the long, cozy evenings on board. Now let's head below deck to the accommodations. The master bedroom offers a queen-size berth, enough storage space and an ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower. For the guests there are 2 cabins. The VIP cabin has a double bed and the guest cabin has twin bunks. Both offer enough storage space and a shared bathroom. Before entering the engine room, you will pass the commissary, which provides the washer, dryer and an extra freezer. It's an excellent place to do your laundry and creates extra isolation between the engine room and the owners. Easy accessible from the saloon is the engine room. The Selene 59 is powered by a single John Deere engine, delivering an efficient cruising speed of 8 to 9 knots and a range over 2,000 nautical miles. It's also equipped with a wing engine, a 20 kW generator, water maker and stabilizers, ensuring smooth sailing and self-sufficiency on long cruises. Moving to the aft deck, the Selene 59 offers another inviting area for dining or lounging in the breeze. Furthermore, it's designed for easy access to the swimming platform and storage for your swimming toys. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Selene 59. She's now looking for her new owner and available for your visit in Sweden. If you need more information about this yacht, please visit our website maritimeyachting.nl.